How to fix a laptop that won't connect to Wi-Fi. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In Control Panel, you'll find View By option on top right. Make sure you choose small icons in here. Then search for Device Manager. Click on Device Manager and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Network. In here, select your Wi-Fi wireless AC, right-click on it, and then click on Update Drivers. Then click on Search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers as your preference. Then click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. As you can see, best drivers